Let's do a dry run. Dry run in 3, 2, 1. Take 4. Take 4. Alright. Real time in 3, 2, 1. Alright. Dry run in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Gotta watch where I'm walking. Alright. I'm gonna just have to go like that. Alright. Try that again. Dry run in 3, 2, 1. And then just walk past me. So just go ahead and walk past me. Alright. Okay? Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's go. Don't worry, I won't shoot at you. Alright, let's try.
Backyard open!
Alright, let's try that again. Backyard open. Dry run in 3, 2, 1.
Backyard's open! Oh, I just keep saying open. Clear. Backyard is clear.
Backyard is clear. Dry run in 3, 2, 1.
Backyard is clear. Who am I talking to? I don't know. I can't do this.
You are not cut out to be an airsofter. We haven't even done filming yet.
Come on.
Dry run in 3, 2, 1.
Backyard's clear.
Pants.
Yeah, we're getting ready for the scene. No, I'm not gonna look at that. No. Don't even know. Don't even know.
Just going further down.
Oh, let's get ready for dry run. Ready?
Hold on, let me just get it out of my pants. It's so little bit down there.
Fail.
Yep.
Yep, okay. Let me get the...
I'm gonna shoot at you, okay?
Okay. Alright. In 3, 2. Wait, hold on. In 3, 2, 1. Right at the camera. It literally saw it hit the lens. No idea what he's doing. Ow! This didn't actually hurt.
Alright.
Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Ow! Hold on. We have a malfunction. I hit the thing. Alright, let's try that again. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh man. Rolling. And 3, 2, 1.
Keys!
I think he's getting delirious.
Yep.
Say that again.
These Nerf bullets smell funny. Up the Nerf!
Let's do the actual take. Alright, that was awesome.
You really nailed me in the face.
Sorry.
You got me like right there.
At least these are Nerf darts and they're not like...
It actually hurt more.
I'm sorry. I apologize. Ugh. Hey Sparky! What you doing?
Smelling a leaf.
She's in our way. In our way.
Show me fine. It's Nerf.
We're hot. Alright. Ready?
Hit us.
3, 2, 1.
Hey guys! Hey! Hey! Found one!
No, you're supposed to be. No, you're supposed to be screaming at me. Like, hey, teammate, hey, 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 over here, oh, over here. Okay.
Okay.
All right, this will be an outtakes.
I'll do it kind of like.
Hold on.
I'll do this. Ah.
All right.
No.
Ready when you are. Count us down for the outtakes.
Alright, how about I just go and put a bullet in the gun for my nose?
Do I shoot at you?
What?
Do I shoot at you?
Nah, this is just an outtake.
All right.
Bye, have a good time.